Remove the screws here to open the motor cover. Here is the motor. Remove the screw here and the screw here, and plug these two cables on the controller. Press the clip on the cable with your fingernail to unplug it. Pinch here with your fingernails and pull out the cable. Take out the cables of the motor from here. Find the included 6mm wrench. Use it to remove the screws of the motor here. Remove the motor belt. Remove the broken motor. Put the new motor in. Put the motor belt on the track here. Install the motor belt and secure it. Find the screws of the motor. Rotate the screws clockwise to tighten and secure the motor. Find another screw. Rotate it clockwise to tighten and secure the motor. Tighten the first screw. Tighten the second screw to secure the motor. After securing the motor, check that the belt is aligned correctly. Realign and straighten the motor belt if it is misaligned. Turn the running belt to make sure the motor belt is aligned. If the motor belt moves on its own when you turn the running belt, the motor belt is aligned. Locate the clips that secure the cables to the frame. Find the screw and tighten the clip. Put the cables here. Plug the black and red cables into the controller. Plug the red cable in here on the controller. Plug the black cable in here on the controller. Find these 3 ground wires. Connect these 3 wires together. Locate the screw and tighten it to secure the ground wires. Make sure the wires are in good position. Find a rope, wrap the wires around it, and place it inside the frame. Close the motor cover. Secure the motor cover by tightening the screws clockwise.